16 carriages driving away when I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night.
Today we are gonna install something for the summer. Yes, it is. And today's sponsor is Nadula here, so thank you for sponsoring this video. This is a colored wig. It's 24 inches, water wave, very curly, very summery. So we're gonna see what we're working with, and we are gonna jazz this wig up, okay? Alright, I love how it looks. This is how the lace is looking. Very nice, very bleach. It's a pre-everything wig, and the color, I know you guys can see the color, how spectacular it is. It's very vibrant. I love it. And they updated this wig, so we now have the drawstring at the back. I love me a wig with a drawstring. It's just very easy, manageable, and very beginner friendly. So you guys already know I also love a wig with a comb, and they place the drawstring as well. This is how it works. All you gotta do is, once you have your wig on your head, you pull the drawstring down. It's gonna look something like this once it fits your head, and then there's another part on it. This part, all you gotta do is pull it down so it is secure, and then you tuck under. You tuck the rest of the string under, so it's gonna look something like this. Now we also have a adjustable band for the wig, so definitely it can be a glueless install. It's a 7x5 lace. We are gonna go in, we are gonna prep this, and we are gonna style the wig. So I want you guys to keep on watching, but I absolutely love the color, the texture of it. So let's go.
Erotic on my body, boy, you got it. Hit them hydraulics while I ride it. Got me acting hella dotty, so excited, so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Tease it, no.
Guys, before I do anything, let's get this. Now I will find the part, but there's no makeup added. There's nothing added to it. I just feel like I need to leave it like this. No baby hair, no makeup. Slightly fluff. But I want to go into the drawstring because I want to show you guys that you need this updated wig with the drawstring, okay? Let's go. So this is it. Drawstring secure. Now we are gonna go in with defining these parts, just creating something very seamless.
Getting larger. He thought he was loving me good, I told him go harder. She thought she was killing that shit, I told her go harder. Just look at this alkaline wrist, cause I got that water. Ass getting thicker. Cash getting thicker. That's that thick. That's that real shit. That's that jelly, baby. Champagne and cherry, baby. That's that.
Alright guys, so the wig is wet. I am going to let this self dry, and then I'll come back, show you guys how it is, and then I'm going to create another style with it. This is how I like to do it because I have things to do. Let's just leave it like this, self dry, and I'll do that. Okay. Oh my god, guys, we are done. The hair is self dry. Yes, I waited about an hour before we came back to show you guys the final look. of this beautiful lace from Nadula here. Love the curl texture. When I tell you, once you spray a little bit of water, some mousse in that wig, it's gonna be super natural. It's gonna be super fine. Okay, you can leave it as is. I'm not gonna lie, it felt good, but you want to go in and define the curls. This is it. Now this is a perfect summer wig, perfect color for the summer. If you want to change up, if you want to switch up your look for the summertime, this is also the perfect wig. I love it. It's 24 inches and I love how the curl is. Now the wig feels super secure on my head. I didn't have to do anything. I did not pluck. I left it just as is. I just created a little bit of baby hair because I want the illusion as if I'm wearing a frontal, because this is a 7x5, okay? Yes, so we wanted to create like an illusion as to we're doing a frontal. Now this is how it looks. I think I want to put some big oops in my ears. Y'all, I had to pull out these oops because it completes the hair. Absolutely love this. You know what? I am gonna go and show you guys the color inside, outdoor, because we're still inside, and you have to see the full color of this because it is ready, baby. It is. Okay. So we're gonna show you guys the color on the outdoor, but first, let's stay cute. What do you think?
On stage rocking out stir crazy, Coco flow like 1980s. Come lit still I drop lazy. None of that maybe. Energy.
This is a second style and it's giving vacation, summery. I love it. I love the color. Woo, it is phenomenal, and it was so easy. Like, it was so simple because it was a middle part. Now I can still go ahead, and if I feel like it is still too much, we can do something else, okay? Because this was very easy. Now tell me if this is not a different level of versatility, because we still have the hair up here, and all I did pull it to the side and we use a grab clip, and this is how the back is. So if you're too hot, you still can spin up the hair. You can use a clip and you can pull the hair out because it is spectacular. Now this is the other style. Absolutely love it. Very simple. So I gave you guys 3 hairstyles, okay? Make sure, with that being said, I gave you guys 3 hairstyles. Make sure you guys go in the description. There's a discount waiting for you right there. Make sure you also like, share, and subscribe. You can visit their website. You can browse it, see what you like. And for me, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.